even told you I never loved Okechukwu? Why do you always say that even? Huh?
I say this because I know you too well. I know you better than anyone else. I mean, why are you deceiving this guy into believing that you love him when you and I know you don't love this guy? It's all about some stupid points for you. You don't love this guy and you and I know that. And that to me is wickedness.
Who told you I don't love Okechukwu? Because I can't remember telling you I hate him. What's your problem?
You're like this because I finally decided to hit you with the truth, right?
Oh, please, enough, right? I've had enough problems for today. Do not add yours. Why must I be the one you always blame in everything? I thought you, my friend. Are you not supposed to support me?
I am your friend. Being your friend doesn't mean I should be supporting evil. What you're doing to this guy is wrong. You are playing with this guy's emotion.
Then go ahead and marry them. Why are you always on my neck? Is it my fault that no man is asking for your hand in marriage?
What? Did you just say that to me? You are just an ingrate.
Anne, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. Please come back. Anne?
Who's there? Hello. Good morning, my princess.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Beautiful.
Okay.
I can see you are in high spirits this morning. God will surely make it happen for you.
Of course. What about the dress I asked you to arrange for me? Have you done that?
Yes, everything is arranged.
Okay, fine. And I do not want a lot of people getting involved in my affair.
Consider it done.
Even my father. If he asks you any question, find a way to play him. I don't even want him to also be involved in it.
I'm sorry, my princess. I don't know how I'm going to lie to the king.
Why are you acting so dumb? Listen, I never said you should lie to him. I used the word play, which means you should find a technical way to answer whatever question he might ask you. He is part of my resistance. I'm going to find a way to break it my way though. So for now, do not tell him anything that has to do with me, right?
My princess, is this really worth it?
What do you mean?
Facing all this because of a man who is looking somewhere else. Is it really worth it?
He is looking somewhere else because no one has shifted his gaze. I am going to do that. So you do what I have asked you to do and leave the rest to me.
Okay, my princess.
All right.
Stop there! Stop there! Stop there! Stop there! Why are you shouting? Listen, in case if you don't know, this is the house of the godfather himself.
I am the godmother.
Says who?
And don't come anywhere close to me. Otherwise, you end up in prison.
I'm only giving you respect. You have already broken the protocol by pushing me. Listen, I respect you now. Get out. Get out.
I'm not going anywhere. Yes. He's misbehaving in this town. Because everyone keeps quiet, he feels he has monopoly of nuisance. Tell him that Chief Mrs. Millicent Ugonne is here. And I am not stepping an inch until I see him.
The ever-dynamic, beautiful Chief Mrs. Millicent Ugonne. What an unexpected visit. You know, it's been really been long. How are you today?
How dare you? You embarrass my son. Oh, now I get. You actually pushed your daughter to my son so that you can get him to actualize your devilish plan. Whatever makes you think I am going to allow that.
Now everything is becoming clear to me. And it's becoming interesting as well. You know, I felt very disappointed the last time my daughter brought him here to introduce him to me as the man in her life. I never knew he's actually son to a witch like you.
Oh, really?
Listen, what makes that imbecile? What gave him the audacity to feel he can be the man in my daughter's life? Not to talk of being her husband?
I don't know whatever game you're playing with that lies. But let me warn you. Let this be the first and the last time I will see her come anywhere close to my place. The last encounter was in a hurry. This time, I'm going to rip your flesh off your bones. Madam, get out! What is the meaning of that? What do you mean?
Mrs. Susan, do you actually feel it is a wonderful idea for you to come into my living room to threaten me? Do you think so?
I did not come here to threaten you. I actually come to tell you the truth. Pin your dog down here. Let her not come anywhere close to my place ever again. You know how it was the last time. This time around, I will expose you. Get out!
Hey, come again. I don't know how it happened that you allowed that mad woman to come into my living room to say all the rubbish she said to your hearing. But let me tell you, the next time this happens, I will not only make you lose your job, but I'm going to make you disappear from the planet Earth. Get lost.
Noted, sir.
Chief, calm down. Forget about her. It's just mere words. You know women and how they can be. They can say unimaginable things at the slightest provocation.
So, because I allowed her go free the last time I had land issue with her husband, she now believes she can dare me?
Exactly what I'm saying. Just forget about whatever she has said. If you listen to her, you might do something very stupid.
Shifundidamaka, that woman looked me in the face and told me, Chief Izunasa, she told me that I should go ahead and do my worst.
Chief, I know why I'm saying this and forget about her. Let's focus on something that is more important.
What is more important than a woman coming to my own house to insult me? She looked me in the face and she insulted me. Listen, I am telling you. You see that woman? I am going to play a very deadly music for her. The kind of music that she cannot dance.
You know that woman is a widow. What will people say?
I don't care. I have no business with what people will say. She told me that I should go ahead and do my worst. Let me tell you, I am going to do that my worst.
Mr. Suzankwo is not a pushover. If you will listen to me, leave her alone.
Did she listen to anybody? When she came here to insult herself and not me, she did not listen to anybody. Therefore, I am not listening to anybody either. Shivundidamaka, you see that woman? I am going to ground her to a halt.
Neka, please. What do you want to explain to me? You want to tell me that kissing Cassia was a mistake? Or going to his workshop was a mistake? Answer me.
I know that kissing Cassie was the wrong thing to do. But what I went to his workplace to do in the first place is what you need to hear. Don't judge me yet until you hear every part of the story.
Okay, I am ready. I want to hear the lies you want to pour into my ears.
What I'm about to say now is nothing but the truth. Okay?
Please start talking. But first, I have important things to do.
Okay.
Well, I wasn't there, but I've been briefed about what happened.
And are you going to defend your friend again? How can a lady go around town embarrassing herself? She should go and thank her stars that the princess did not lock her up.
Lock her up? Why? I mean, Ozioma already realized her mistake and has apologized.
Apologized? Why would she go to the princess where she was sitting all alone in a restaurant and accuse her of waiting for a man? That is irresponsible.
Well, truth be told, I never knew that restaurant belongs to the royal family.
Yes, it belongs to the late queen. And the princess is the one in charge of it now. Princess was actually sitting on her place of work. And Ozioma just walked from nowhere and showed her stupid character. Can you imagine?
You know, the problem I have with you, Janet, is when you see Ozioma, you do shut up. You don't say anything. I mean, if you strongly believe she's doing something wrong, can't you sit her down and talk sense into her?
Talk sense into who? I can only talk to someone who is ready to listen. And not someone who you tell something, the person will do another thing. I don't even know why Almighty Okechukwu is still wasting time on her. She doesn't want it. What nonsense! What nonsense! Really? You just needed to have seen how that stupid girl spoke to me. She insulted me as if I was a nobody.
Of course you are a nobody compared to her. What do you expect when you go about challenging people above you and even in a place of business? Come on, girlfriend.
Point of correction. She's not above me. And I never knew the late queen is the owner of that old godforsaken dungeon of a place. Oh!
That's what happens to ignorant people. When you go about doing things without asking questions. What were you even looking for in that place?
I am Chief Izunaso's daughter. I can go anywhere. Get that into your head. Nonsense! This is rubbish!
You don't get it. She has a name. Princess Ugonne of Amanato. You don't. You rely on your father's name for relevance. That's not good.
Really? Mm-hmm. Who does that? And why are you even insulting me? Why?
I am not insulting you, girlfriend. I'm simply telling you the truth. The truth that no one else will be bold enough to tell you.
Really?
You are even lucky Okechukwu hasn't even said anything to you. So please allow things flow.
Wow. For real? Who does that? Tell me.
Intelligent people do that a lot. Oh, you're lucky Jasper is coming back soon. If Okechukwu doesn't marry you, Jasper will. So please, be calming down, okay? Don't let this bother you.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault because I keep blaming myself. I don't know why I keep calling you when things go wrong. When you've proven yourself not to be reliable.
Girlfriend, you know you owe me a lot. If not for me, you would have committed blunder and probably ended up in prison. You should thank your stars you've got a friend like me. And where are you going to? This girl is crazy. Really? Ozioma! Ozioma, calm down. Be calming down, okay? Calming down.
You know you have to tell me about what is going on with you. There is something certainly wrong. And like they say, two heads are better than one.
This one is confusing. Just, I'm in a tight spot here. Been trying to figure out, how best to deal with this, but nothing is registering,
Seems to me like the more reason you need to share. I mean, let's talk about it.
Nedu, how would you feel if I tell you that I'm falling for the princess?
No, I won't. I knew it from day one. Well, for me, it's a good development.
Is it?
Have you told her how you feel?
No, of course not. How can I do that? I'm still in a relationship with Ozioma. How can I possibly... No, come on now. I can't do that now. Listen, I know guys do this, they have relationships with multiple women, but I can't. It's not my style. I'm a one-woman man. If I'm in a relationship, I'm in a relationship, Yeah.
And you feel you are in a relationship?
What do you mean? Of course I'm in a relationship.
You believe you're in a relationship? You're in a relationship with someone you know obviously doesn't love you. Come on, bro, now. You're better than this. Listen, you have to use your head. For a woman of the princess's social status to ask a man out, to me, it's a great deal. And I will advise you jump at it. Don't let it sleep. Don't let this opportunity slide.
Nedu, you're painting this whole situation in the wrong colors just so that Ozioma can look bad, but is it really that bad?
Are you not feeling something for the princess? Haven't you fallen for her? Well, I'll give you this advice as your friend. Just one advice. If you fail to make the right choice by being with the woman that is right for you, and then you go ahead and making the wrong choice and choosing the wrong woman, listen, you will have a lifetime to regret.
Okay, that's enough, Nedu. This whole talk is beginning to make me uncomfortable. We can talk about some other things, please.
Call Ozioma. Tell her you're not with the princess. Yes, call her.
What? Nedu, why?
Simple.
Why would I do that? Why would I?
Is that not what you want?
How can I just say that to her?
Well, is that not what you want? Listen, I'm a blunt person. This is what you want. You want a woman that will give you peace, bro. And this is exactly what the princess presents. So call that girl and tell her you're with someone else. So simple as that.
Enyi, sentiments aside, is it not better Okechukwu marries the princess than the daughter of that Chief Izunaso that we know what she represents?
Why will you even say a thing like this? Eh? Why will you even say such a thing? And you're supposed to be my friend. Have you not been following up on rumors from our people on the news that the princess was the one that proposed to my son?
What has that got to do with anything? She is a woman of substance and she has made her move. That does not reduce her quality at all in any way.
Don't preach to me, oh? Don't just preach to me. I've already told my son he will not get married to a cheap woman.
Ha! Cheap what? From where did we start talking about her as cheap? How did we conclude that she's cheap? Because she found a man attractive
and approached him. See, if Okechukwu has started liking her, let him go for her. There's nothing wrong with her being the one that approached him.
What is even your own on this matter? What's your own? You sound as if my son picked you up as his advocate or his solicitor. What is your own?
You know, I wish he did, but he didn't. If he had picked me, I would have gladly represented him. But you see, in this particular matter, I picked myself to represent him of my own accord because Okechukwu is a good man. A truly good man indeed. And he deserves the best. And the princess is the best.
Mom, is everything okay? Since I came here, you've been somehow always the case in order. Are you okay?
Everything is okay. I have noticed the closeness between you and the princess, and I want to
You want to know if what? If I've started liking her? That's why you've been this way. Bend the owner as if somebody died. Mom. You think you have your ways with me, okay? Well, to answer your question, yes, I am. Is it that serious?
For the first time, yeah.
Relax.
Please just talk.
What? Okay, yes, I like her.
Really?
Yeah, we've gotten close. Now I know her better, and I must say that I am beginning to develop feelings for her.
Are you serious about this?
Yes, Mom, I'm serious. I've been having a hard time with Ozioma, and I've been enduring. Honestly, Mom, I think I have endured enough, and I have decided to give my heart a chance somewhere else.
Wow. Well, if this is what you want, then you have my blessings.
Are you serious?
Yes, you have my blessings to go for the one that gives you peace. Yes.
Mom, you're joking, right?
I am not joking. I said you have my blessing. Go ahead, marry the princess.
Mom.
You don't believe me?
No, I don't. I don't believe you.
You better do.
You are serious. Mommy, I love you for this one. Thank you.
I can't remember the last time I heard you say you loved me.
Because you've been giving me a hard time, that's why. but seriously, Mom, you're serious.
Of course I am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear son. You see, you are my world. You mean everything to me. So, it is my duty to ensure that you are always comfortable. And one more thing.
What?
If you need my assistance in any way, please don't hesitate to tell me about it.
No, this is not working. This is not working.
What is not working?
No, this is you talking, Mom. Well, if I need your assistance in any way, I should let you know.
This is me.
No, something happened.
This is Mrs. Millicent.
Mommy, somebody is impersonating you right now.
Oh, stop it.
I'm not joking. Like, I have never seen you this supportive, but it's okay. I'll take it.
Don't you think it calls for celebration?
But of course, I know we'll get to that, but this is a rare moment in my life, Mom, where you allow me live my life and do what makes me happy. Come on, Mom. You want to be celebrated, will you? I'll take you out. Mom! You've done a new leaf.
Oh my God. Dad?
Sit down, beautiful daughter of mine.
Daddy, are you okay? You scared me over the phone. I thought something must have happened to you.
Nothing happened to me. I am absolutely okay. I called you because I want us to talk.
Right. I sincerely feel there's something you're hiding from me that you need to tell me.
Well, I am not hiding anything from you. But what I need to tell you is that I want to find out. I want to ask you if actually you are serious that you want to spend the rest of your life with this young man who is a political lackey to the incompetent governor. You really want to spend the rest of your life with him?
Dad, why give him those damaging qualifications? Yes, I love him.
You are telling me you love him. Well, I have discussed extensively with almost all my political associates, and they are united in telling me that I have no reason whatsoever to allow my politics interfere with your love life.
You mean it?
I listen. What that means is that I have given you my approval to be with the one you love.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy.
See, that makes you happy. You know, I promised your mother that I will do everything that will make you happy, and I don't want to disappoint you and your mother.
Dad, I love you. You're the best dad in the whole wide world. Everybody should say, Dad, I love this old boy. I love you. Thank you so much. Dad, thank you. Daddy, you're just the best dad in the world.
You know, contrary to what you believe, that I don't get involved in your matters, that I don't have your interest at heart. All those things are not right. You are my one and only daughter, and I love you absolutely.
I love you too, you old boy. Thanks, Dad.
Forget about it.
Dad, hold on. I'm coming. I need to tell him that's good news. Oh my God! Finally!
I must conclude what I started. Now he will have a reason to concentrate on my daughter and leave the princess alone. Mozeki be a clickly.
Honestly, baby, I don't understand you. You're confusing me. Okay, we're not married because my father did not approve our marriage. Finally, he did. And you're not even happy about it.
Well, of course I'm happy. I'm happy about it, darling. Come on, don't say that. I'm happy. You know, I'm just surprised that, he suddenly changed his mind. I'm just trying to get used to it, But I'm okay. I'm happy.
Well, my dad is an easy going. I am happy we're getting married.
Yeah, I'm happy too. I'm very happy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, what next?
What exactly did you say to your father to make him change his mind?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I swear. He called me to come over, and I arrived before him. When he finally got back, boom, he just broke the good news. Mm-hmm. My father said, yes, go ahead and marry him. And we're getting married.
Yeah.
Huh? Mm-hmm. So, tell me, what's the next plan? What do we do next?
Oh, yeah. What next? My mother.
Oh.
Yeah, my mother. Just like your father was a factor.
Yes.
My mother is a factor as well. So you'd have to give me some time. I need to talk to her. Bring her into the picture.
Yes, your mother. Your mother. But this calls for a celebration.
The kind of I want to play with her.
Amechi, please go to whoever that sent you and tell them you will not see me. I will kill you.
You will kill me? See, I love it. It's better I die in your hands than to die miserable life. See, If you kill me, I will be very, very happy that I die in the hand of the woman I love. See, let me tell you, I'm not shouting. Just let me marry you.
Amechi, I don't love you. You cannot be my husband. Go away, please.
See, I will not stand up here. I will not stand up here if you say I will not marry you. I will stay here.
Continue sitting down here. The people that sent you come and bring you up.
So wait. If you want, is that how wicked you are? Hey. See, if you want, if I did not marry in this village, nobody will marry you. In fact, I will tell people that you have HIV. I will tell the whole village that you have HIV.
Can you just speak up at least and tell her you will not be making it tonight?
What? Come on now, I can't say that to her. I have conscience.
And I doubt if you have one right now. Listen, Fred, you have to make up your mind. I would have opted to help you, but in this matter, it is only your decision that counts.
My decision? Whew, what a time to make a critical decision, because I'm confused, I'm tired, my head feels like it's going to explode because I don't know why everything is happening all at once. I need help, you know?
And unfortunately, I cannot offer that help. I have done what any friend or brother can do.
I know, it's not your fault.
But come to think of it, your mother has even made this whole thing easier for you by helping you choose. I don't understand why you are still insisting.
I also don't understand why you all choose to see Ozzy the way you see her. That girl is an angel. I'm serious. Look, I just have to be careful not to settle with the wrong one. Whew, I'm scared. Worried.
You know, Ozioma might not be a bad girl, but she's certainly not the right choice for you right now. Come on, man. She's a gold digger.
Come on. Nedu, come on. Now that's below the belt. How can you call her a gold digger? That girl has been supporting, she's been there with me and for me all this time. Supporting me. How is she now a gold digger?
See, I really wish you think about this. Like, really think about it. And remember, you are the one who will spend the rest of your life with whomsoever you decide to choose.
No.
Not me, not your mother.
That's true. You've said that to me over 1,000 times. Remember, whoever it is that you choose to be with, you're going to have to live with. Choose wisely, be careful. I know, I get it. Can you at least slow down? Stop saying that to me. Please. I'm under pressure here. I'm tensed. And she keeps calling.
Then pick up.
No.
Pick up and tell her you can't make it.
She will be hurt.
And you think she's not already hurt by your silence? You know what? I think we've bothered about this issue for too long. Make up your mind. Make your decision. I think I will honor it. But right now, I'm off.
So, he's gonna be like, Ozioma is an asshole. Do you take this man, Okechukwu, to be your lawful wedded husband? And I say, yes! Oh my God! I'm so happy. Oh.
So what happens to the princess now?
Do you know you surprised me? Why can't you be happy for me? For once.
Happy for you. When I know you're busy destroying someone else's life.
The way you are all bothered about the princess in this case, I wonder if you're on my side at all.
Of course I am on your side. But truth be told yet again, you never loved this guy. You're only dating him because of his money. And here is a girl who truly loves him beyond anything.
Enough. What nonsense are you vomiting? Oh, I see. You are the spy the princess sent to monitor my life. So tell me, how much did she pay you? I could double it for you.
Stop it. Stop it, Ozioma. You're insulting me. What's the meaning of that?
You're serious? What are you saying? Look who is talking. What do you even know about love? Have you ever been loved before? No. Have you ever seen someone to love you before? No. Here you are, preaching to me about love, about something you don't even know, you have never experienced before. You are a loser. That's it.
I may not have loved before, and I may not have been in a relationship before, but I am definitely not heartless like you. I have conscience, which is why I won't support you to do what is evil.
Oh, please, stop it. This is my life. So you will allow me to live it the way I want.
Of course you're living it the way you want. But just so you remember, this guy doesn't deserve what you're doing to him. Leave him, let another woman who loves him beyond anything have him.
Where is this coming from? Have I ever told you that I don't love Okechukwu? You were the one making up that story, not me. Okay, tell me, do you love him? If you love him, just tell me, okay? You don't have to be jealous. Just wait for your own to come. Okechukwu and I are getting married, so do not put any asunder.
Me put asunder in your relationship? What have I not seen in this world? Ozioma, do you realize you're talking to me?
Yes, I know. What will you do? What about that? You can't do anything. You remain here, you're a loser.
Really? I know you too well. This is how you're brewed. You say things about people anyhow you want it.
You can say anything you like. That is none of my business. I say you want to spoil this precious moment for me, as usual. Hell no. I will not allow you to do that because I am so happy. Okechukwu and I are one.
Look, I am trying so hard not to get furious. I know you. You've always been like this. So I'm not going to get upset about this.
You can say whatever you like. That's your business.
You didn't pick your call at all. You kept the whole royal household waiting for you. You should have told me that you were not coming.
I'm sorry, Princess. Something that required my attention came up.
Is that how less you care about me? Is that it? You shouldn't have done what you did, Okechukwu.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I know that there is nothing I say now that can possibly make up for this error. I'm sorry. Please.
So what was that you said you wanted to tell me?
Oh, I have taken care of it.
So what about my proposal?
You see, Princess...
You see what? You're not interested? No, go ahead and tell me. Spill the bean. Talk to me. I thought you were different. You're not man enough?
I am man enough.
Then prove it to me. If you're man enough, prove it to me. Stand for what you believe in.
Truth is that I have someone in my life, Princess. We've been together for a very long time, and I love and care about her a lot, and I can't hurt her. I'm sorry, Princess, but this is beyond how I feel about her. It's also about my principle. I have a lot of respect for women, and I cannot find it in me to hurt her.
I see. It's... okay. I hope I didn't make a big mistake choosing you. I just hope so. I mean, you're here telling me that you're in a relationship and you both love each other. Do you even know what love is?
Oh yes, I do. I do.
No, you don't. I'm not sure you know the difference between loving and being loved.
Oh yes, I know, because I know that I love her and she loves me too.
Really? I just hope you don't regret this.
I will not regret it, Princess. For I know how I feel about her and how she feels about me. I'm sorry.
I understand. It's no big deal. I mean, the fact that I proposed to you does not necessarily mean that we're going to end up together. I mean, it's not a must. I can't force myself on you. I can't force you to, you know. I can't force it. It's fine. It's okay if that's what you want. It's okay.
Yes. This is what I want.
I am not going to force you to love me, Mr. Okechukwu Uzonkwo. I wish you the best of luck in your newfound love. And trust me, in truth, I'm never going to use it against you.
She pretends to be okay with what you said, but I know deep down that she's hot. So if you can try and talk to her one more time, I mean, she needs us to sail through this storm. Thank you.
Uzoma, you think you can wake up one morning and tell me it is over? Eh? Who the hell do you think you are?
Jasper, you need to calm down, okay? I only told you I am getting married to him. Not like we're even married yet. You're getting yourself worked up.
Oh. This is how you want to push me out of your life. Simply because you have seen money, right?
It's not what you're thinking. You just need to be calming
No.
down.
Don't come up with that defense. For I know what is running through your mind already. Oh, you feel he has made money in government. You now want to leave me and go for him.
Jasper, you're twisting this thing too far. I took that decision because I don't want my case to suffer.
Jesus. Ozioma, so I am the one that will make your kid suffer. Ozioma, I am now bad luck. Me, Jasper, I swear to God you will suffer. I will deal with you. Akwamo.
Jasper, you're taking this thing too far. We're both adults. This is what we can actually iron out without anybody getting hurt.
You are saying this rubbish when you're already hurting me. Ozioma, you have been playing with my emotions all this while.
No, I've never played with your emotions. We are matured.
You are mad.
Yes.
You are mad. You are such an ingrate. I promise you, you will pay for this.
Jasper, let me tell you. For the fact that we're not going to end up together as one, does not mean you won't find someone better than me. Alright? You need to stop threatening me. I didn't kill anyone. I didn't. I made that decision because it's best for me. We're not compatible. You can't take care of me.
There's no problem. I will see how far you will go on that path without me. Now, if you don't mind, use this door and get out of this place. Come and see my position. I said leave my house. Use this door and leave my house.
Mamuka. I hope you remember how you did it before. I want you to do it again. The same thing.
Chief, again? You know, that was years ago, and I did it because I was desperately in need of money. Why? I'm still trying to come out of the guilt of the one I did before, and you're asking me to do another one. I can't do it.
Mamoka, you will do it. Oh yes, you will do it again. Else, you will leave me with no other option than telling everyone that you were actually the one who killed him.
Chief, why are you talking like this now, when you were the one who gave me the potion? Besides, I can't poison her. She's my friend. I have done enough damage to her family by killing her husband. She doesn't have to suffer the same fate. Please.
You are just sounding as if you have a choice. We are already involved in this together, and the only way forward is for you to continue with what you have been asked to do. Keep doing it until we achieve the desired result.
What have they even done to you?
What they did to me is not your business. Okay? They have done the one they have done, and we are doing the one we are doing. Do not try to make me remember the other side of me, because if you push me to the wall, I will not hesitate to tell the king that you were the one who murdered the man, and I will make sure you are arrested, prosecuted, and humiliated in Amanat. Would you want that to happen?
Why are you avoiding the question, Chief? Killing the husband is not enough for you. Now you also want to kill my friend. What did she do to you?
Well, I told you what she did is not your business. They did the one they did, and we are doing the one we are doing now. And I'm telling you that you have to continue until we achieve our desired result. Are you ready or not?
Well, you cannot be threatening me with telling the king when you're the one that sent me.
That will be your word against mine. I believe you understand what that means. How are you going to prove it that I was the one who sent you? Who was there when I sent you? Listen, if you open up to anybody involving me in any way, the way I am going to twist this thing, even your children will be affected in this town. I want you to understand that you have a very serious secret. Allow that secret to remain a secret. Are you ready?
Chief, I will try, but I hope you know that you have destroyed my life by luring me into this.
Come on, woman, it is for the money. Money answereth all things. It is actually written in the Bible you read, and it is my best verse in the Bible. You will do it, and you will see the money. Well, I must say, indeed, you are a lucky man. And I commend your maturity and your gentility.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well, I gathered both of you are attending the governor's party from here.
Oh, yes.
Left for me, I would have said, both of you stay back. You know, we have just had dinner. Let us just stay back and drink something nice here, to push it down. but I understand it's a bit late already and you need to be running along.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Especially for everything. And so I come. And allowing us to do this. Thank you very much, sir.
I want the best for my daughter. And I believe I know the best when I see one.
Yes, sir.
And I somehow believe you are the best. I hope I'm not making a mistake.
You're not making a mistake. I am the best.
I can see the love both of you share.
Yes.
It's absolutely very strong. It's very glaring, and I'm hoping it remains like it.
Of course, sir. We're doing our best to ensure that it remains this way. Right, baby?
Yes, baby.
And one more thing. You see this, my daughter here? She is the only thing I have. And any act of inflicting pain on her is an act of inflicting pain on me. I believe you know what that means.
I understand that, sir.
Good.
Dad, we're running late. Okay, I'll be fine. So we don't miss the party.
I hope you are not forgetting anything.
Oh, no, not at all.
It's all right. You enjoy yourself. I am not going to ask you to extend my greetings to the governor because he may not like it. We understand that.
Oh, Daddy, let's go. Take care, Daddy.
Okay, then.
All right. Bye, Daddy.
Have a wonderful, very wonderful outing.